Your question is that Holy Prophet used to take small amount of food, and despite that, he was a very strong man, and he discharged his duties very well, and he worked more than any other person, right? You see, in olden days, there was no junk food, all natural food, no burger, no Rindwurst, no other things, all sort of wrong things. So he used to take meat, although cooked, but not in a manner that is all the strength of that food or the quality of the food destroys. They used to take dates, that is very nourishing food, gives you sugar and all sort. They used to take milk, that was the food at that time. So meat, milk, dates, and meat, mutton or whatever it was. And then, of course, they used to take grain of barley and oats. So that was very nourishing food. That was available, nourishing food at that time, right? And after having taken that food, they used to do exercise. They would walk for miles and miles. They would do horse riding, camel riding. So they were very strong people. The one thing is that although they took very small amount of food, they used to take very small amount of food, but they were quite strong. And all that food was very nourishing and full of energy, right? Then Holy Prophet ﷺ did not take that you should not take food. See, every person has his own digestion level, absorbing level, requirement of food, requirement of water. Even now, there are quite a number of people I have seen, those who take only 1 glass of water during the whole day, even in hot weather. If I take only one glass of water, I will be dehydrated. So that was the requirement. This is why he says that whatever your food requirement is, you should take food accordingly, but remember that leave some place, not just fill your stomach up to your throat or the full capacity. Leave some space, and that is what if when you are feeling slightly hungry, then leave it. And even if it is proved now, doctors and scientists say that whatever food you take, it starts digesting after 20 minutes. So when you stop taking food, after 20 minutes you will feel that you have taken enough. But if you don't realize that and keep on taking it, then after some time you will feel indigestion. And sometimes some people vomit. See? So this is the reason. You must take according to your own requirement, but leave some space. Said? And that is proved now scientifically. If you take balanced food, then it will give you energy and not only leave you alive, but keep you alive, but also help you to work in a way which others cannot. If you take too much food, you will sleep the whole night. You cannot wake up for Tahajjud prayer. You cannot even wake up for Fajr prayer.
I experienced this before.
Yes. So since you have experienced it, so you better know it. So this is the reason. So this is the logic behind it, that we should take the food up to the level which is required for our body. A giant person of 6 feet 7 inches high and weighing 190 kilos will be taking food more than you. But at the same time, he will not be that strong as you are, because once he falls on the ground, he will need help for somebody to take him up. But you can even immediately jump from the ground and stand up. So this is the reason.